स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. Today in this video we'll talk about one more top institute which offers the law programs in Mumbai. In Law College Tour हमने बात की GLC और ILS के बारे में. So today we'll discuss about the J.J. Advani Law College which accept the Maharashtra LAWCET score. So here we'll discuss in detail about the admission procedure, seat availability, cutoff, campus and the placement. So let's start the tour. J.J. Advani, the college named after one of the leading advocates of Sindh, late Shri Gopal Das Jhamatmal Advani, who was the scholar and writer of book titled as Arbitration and Specific Relief Act. This college, established in 1977 by Hyderabad Sindh National Collegiate Board, which was founded in 1921, and the J.J. Advani, in collaboration with Cognizance Education, offers the various certificate course in legal studies. So let's move further. Here are the stages. So the first stage is you have to crack the MHCET. It is conducted by the State Common Entrance Test Cell, that is nothing but the CET cell, through which you can pursue the undergraduation and post-graduation law programs in various Maharashtra-based institute. Moving further, here we'll talk about the seat availability. So this college offers only one program, the 3 years program, that is LLB, and it has seat intake of 300. And in collaboration with Cognizance Education, it also offers the certificate courses in cyber law, intellectual property rights, alternative dispute resolutions, and mergers and acquisitions. So to enter into this college, you have to score 100 plus out of 150. So target the safe score, that is 100 plus. With regarding the fees, this college has very nominate fee structure for all 3 years, that is for first year plus second year plus third year. Overall fees is 35,000 only. So moving further, here we'll talk about the admission procedure for J.J. Advani College. As all you know, after cracking MH Law CET, you have to go through CAP round, that is centralized admission process, and after CAP round you have to register on the official website of the Advani College. So here apply online, register yourself, fill all the details. You have to upload photo and signature, then take the printout of duly signed application form for future references. Then you have to pay the application fee through online mode. For general, the application fees is rupees 800, and for reserve category candidates it is 600 rupees. Then next e-receipt will be generated, collect it for the future reference, and through all these steps you will finally enter to the Advani College. So let's move to the college. Here we'll talk about the campus. It is situated at Off Linking Road, Khar, Bandra, Mumbai, and it has the vast collection of books in the library, and there are impressive collection of books. It has the moot court facility, and it holds the various competitions and various extracurricular activities. It has the legal aid clinic to provide the clinical legal educations. It also has the accommodation and medical facilities, and there is a dedicated placement council, that is nothing but the placement cell, which works whole academic year to brand the students and the course. And with respect to placement and career scope, it is absolutely the perfect law college, as it is ranked among the top law college in Maharashtra, and it is the most preferred one college in Mumbai. So here almost all students get an opportunity every year in law firms, in banking companies, IPR firms, civil litigation firms, criminal law agencies and etc. Law firms like Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, Phoenix Legal, and some of the IPR firms like Khurana and Khuranas. So overall, this college provides you the best ROI, that is nothing but the return on investment, where you have to invest only 35,000 for 3 years, and after completion of the course you can be employed in these firms. So you can imagine, here is the great return on investment. So friends, to pursue the law programs from the best institutes, your aim should be J.J. Advani College. Just the name will strengthen your resume. So friends, this is all from the today's video. I hope you got all the points regarding J.J. Advani Law College. So to enter into it, prepare for MH Law CET, and to crack MH Law CET, join Manoeuvre online program, where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and the full course. Here you can also attend our live lectures. So call on 8828581455, or you can simply visit at manoeuvreedu.com/lawentrance, and this link I also mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. So friends, if you like the video, then hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding law entrance. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, DADAR and VASAI. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.